Turabashimiye nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika kubw'impanuro muduhaye. Turabizeza ko tuzazubakiraho mu guhindura cyane cyane uburyo bw'imyitwarire n'imikorere yacu. Intore, mumfashe twongeye dushimire nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika. Nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, mubitwemereye twakwakira ibibazo 4 cyangwa 5. Nkuko nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika,
ariko se byose sinabishubije buriya. But let's try.
Twagira ngo dusabe abafata ijambo kuvuga amazina yabo ndetse banarase ku ntego. Abafite ibibazo bashaka kubaza mu manike. Ubuse hari umuntu yana wawe udafite ikibazo cyo kubaza koko? Reka nsabe abafite mikoro badufashe duhere muri runo ruhande.
Mbere yabyo mwavuze ko mwembi harya mukora iki?
Murakoze nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, ndi Intore Emeni Yibizi, soje amashuri yisumbuye aho nize plumbing technology. Kugeza ubu
What technology?
Plumbing technology bijyanye n'amazi.
Perfect. Get it.
Nitwa Intore Mwiza Gihana Dorcas. Nkaba mfite bachelor's degree muri marketing and communications.
Yes.
And I am also a project
And
manager.
you speak Spanish?
No, a little bit.
A little bit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So mwembi mufite akazi murakora?
Yes, sir. Ngenda kora.
Okay.
Sangiye nakazi mfite.
Ugomba kukabona nawe nta mpamvu kataboneka.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Especially birakenewe. Ari no muri defense and security institutions. Do you really not need such a people? Akazi ko ntabwo gashobora kubura. Especially muri yanye niyo technology. How? Uwo agomba kuba hari muri twe hari abarangaye. Okay, but go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Ego rikaduhere kuri runo ruhande.
Thank you, sir.
Try to be to the point, short, so that somebody is...
Yes, sir. Murakoze, nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, nitwa Niyokwizera Origene, mbarizwa muri Sikoi Platoon 3, ndi umunyeshuri muri Kaminuza y'u Rwanda ishami rya Busogo, aho ngeze mu mwaka wa 4 Food Science and Technology. Ese nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, nk'uwari umuyobozi mukuru mu rugamba rwo kubohora igihugu, nubuhe buryo wakoreshaga kugira ngo ingabo mwari muyoboye zikomeze gutsinda no mu bihe bitari byoroshye kandi ntizicike intege? Ese ubu ngubu bwo ibibazo muhura nabyo bikomeye nubuhe buryo mubasha kubikemuramo? Murakoze cyane.
Ndagiha igisubizo kigufi cyoroshye. Ibyo nababwiraga ibyo byose nta bufindo burimo. There is no magic. You have to have a clear mind. You have to focus. You have to have discipline. You have to understand the problem and find a solution. So kubyo ku rugamba, apart from that, kuko haba hari abantu benshi, ugomba kumenya organization, abantu ubayobora ute, kandi ubuyobozi buba buri ku nzego zitandukanye, uvuga kuyobora urugamba, yes, ariko nta muntu umwe uyobora inzego zose z'urugamba. You get it? Ariko iyo ubishaka, iyo wumva ko ari akazi ugomba gukora, ibindi uragerageza shyiramo imbaraga rwose ukabikora, ndetse wagira amahirwe ukabona ibisubizo biraza. Byaba bitaje, you try again. Ngira ngo amahirwe amwe mu ngorane twagize, burya mu ngorane harimo amahirwe. Some of us had a responsibility, twari dufite inshingano tutashoboraga guhunga kuko ntawe wari kuzisigira. Buri wese yari afite inshingano, ntabwo wavuga rero ngo ibyanjye ndabiretse. It's like you are pushed against the wall, right? And you come out fighting. Otherwise you perish. That's it. So maybe that constraint, that difficulty in the situation primes somebody to think hard and to work hard to find a solution. Iyo atari umuntu umwe rero muri benshi, then icyo gihe bisa n'ibyoroha kuko bikorana n'abandi, ntabwo bikora wenyine. Ariko ugomba kumenya noneho uko akazi gagomba gukorwa karimo abo bantu benshi kugira ngo mugere ku ntego. Icyo kirabisubiza byose.
Thank you, sir. Reka mwongere mumanike turebe n'abandi. Tugerageze gusharinga impande zose, tujye muri wa ruhande naho turebe.
Tugire vuba, twihute.
Murakoze nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika. Amazina yanjye ni Ruhindura Shema Bruce, nkaba norezwa muri Eco Platoon ya 3, nkaba niga muri AUKA mu ishami rya Networks and Communication. Ikibazo nari mfite Perezida wacu, ese mubohora igihugu niki cyatumye muhitamo izina Inkotanyi, kandi ni gute nkatwe urubyiruko tugakomezanya uwo mutima wo gukotana muri twebwe? Murakoze nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika.
Right. Inkotanyi byo ni Kinyarwanda, kandi hahozeho imitwe y'ingabo ngira ngo bitwaga Inkotanyi kera mu mateka y'u Rwanda, ngo ni igihe cya Rwabugiri. Abantu rero bafashe izina ry'Ikinyarwanda mu mateka y'Ikinyarwanda, byari kugira ngo iryo zina ry'imyaka 100 n'indi yabaye birange igikorwa turimo n'uyu munsi. Nta yindi mpamvu, ariko ntabwo ari izina gusa, bifite na message irimo nyine wari uvuze byo gukotana. Ibyo byose twavugaga, ibyo nababwiraga ni uguhangana n'ibibazo, ku buryo niyo bigeze ku rugamba nyine nabyo birakorwa.
Thank you, sir. Abandi mumanike tujyana muri iki gihande nawe.
Thank you very much. My name is Kalinda Linda Mala, and I'm from D Company Platoon 1. I wanted to, while visiting the museum, Kumurindi Wintwari.
I'm not
and-
sure, there's some kind of, I'm not sure I'm getting it clearly. Are you here?
Oh, I'm right here.
Yeah, try to put your
Yes,
microphone
please. Is this
closer.
clearer?
And louder, huh?
Yes, please. So while visiting the museum, Kumurindi Wintwari, and following the history of the Liberation War, I was left perplexed. When you were our age, Rwanda was different compared to what it is now. You grew up abroad, your family had to flee the country. You went to school outside Rwanda, and you would have been perfectly successful without ever returning to Rwanda. It was so easy for you to turn your back on this country. So I just wanted to know what kept you anchored to a country that had essentially turned its back on you, and what drove your love for this country to the point of giving up your everything and risking your life for it.
Yeah. If your country turned your back on you, the country turns its back on you, you wouldn't want to turn your back on the country. Again, I said it's a question of choice. You know, there are two kinds of people, always, anywhere, anytime. When there is a serious problem, like the country faced, there are people who are going to not even give it a shot. They will just cut and run and give up because something is difficult or it affects them in a certain way. So they may run away and go somewhere else. That's one group of people. The other will stand and fight and give it a try. They wouldn't. So there are many, the situation is like that. I just happened to be on that side where I wasn't, like many others, I wasn't going to run away. Run away to where? To do what? To be what? I mean, run away and continue. By the way, even those who run away, have you seen of late? Those who have run away for a long time to different, the rich countries, they run away too and they abandon their poor countries. Are you looking at what is happening? They are returning them at a terrific speed. It's like they tell them, you don't belong here. Especially if you have, like mine. They really So, but some may want to stay and keep hiding and doing this and, oh well, good for them. I don't think everybody would want to act like that. So you want to give it a shot to try and live in your country and contribute to making it the country you want it to be. All that resides in the minds of people, what choice you make. There's no question about it. As I said, there is no magic, there is nothing. It's just you. You have to make up your mind and decide what you want to do. And what you want to do may also reflect what you want to be. I don't think ever I would, or others would have made a choice to stay as refugees, as stateless, as You know, well, there are people, I mean, as you said, people could have, some stayed and did well in their lives. Some were wealthy, others were all kinds of good things. If they choose to do that, there's nothing I can do about it. But that's not my choice. I think many of you, it wouldn't be your choice. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Reka twakire ikibazo cyangwa se igitekerezo cya nyuma. Tekereza ku ruhande tutabajijemo arwo hakurya hariya. Afite mic bazafasha.
Thank you, sir. Your Excellency, my name is Ineza Kelia. I'm a member of Golf Company Platoon 2. I recently graduated high school from Green Hills Academy, and I'm looking forward to pursue a bachelor's degree with financial mathematics and economy. Your Excellency, looking at how the current geopolitics are affecting almost all countries, economic-wise, security-wise, and in other aspects, will the world be safe, or is the world heading to a state of jungle rule where it will be survival of the fittest? And will Rwanda be safe? Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm. Well, mobilizing you to be part of this and from here to be part of national building is about trying to secure Rwanda. Rwanda should be safe, and will be safe because of you, depending on how you come out and fulfill your obligations, how you build yourselves, how you fulfill those obligations to your country. Surely Rwanda will be safe, and safe in the context of the global situation. Now, for the geopolitics and stuff, the world maybe has never been safe. It's a question of degree. 20 years ago, or 30 years ago, globally there was security. But there was no security for me. You know that? Yes, there was no security here. That's about the time we lost our people. Then there are other corners of the continent or the world where things were not safe. So global security has become an issue of what degree is the world safe, a safe place. So currently, you can see lack of global security is on the rise. Maybe to reach a point and the plateau and then start again being better than we have known it. But since we don't have, even as a country, Rwanda, we don't have any possibility to make huge contributions to securing the world, it is a safer bet to secure our world, our Rwanda world. First and foremost, let's secure it. as much as we can from internal as well as external factors and actors that may affect it. Otherwise, yeah, when you look at it, the world today is not entirely a safe place. You look, I mean, these are things you see on television. They are not things you have to scratch and research, and except if you want it for academic purposes, you may go into those details, but otherwise, what even you see in the open suggests that global security is not what people would want it to be. So we can secure our place where we are responsible and maybe make a contribution to and with others, yeah, but that's it. It's a drop in the ocean, maybe. Because you even see the global institutions normally that are supposed to guide the international system, the international law, or international whatever. The institutions are really, in a sense, powerless. Somehow they don't deliver the goods as they used to way back. Even then, we are not delivering that sufficiently. What we have today is something that has been building up from across the world over many years. People who are analytical and followed the global daily events, some of them could have said, well, maybe 15 years ago or 20 years ago could have said, but this world is headed in the wrong place. But the majority, I think, might have not seen it coming. So there we are. Let's take cover together and hold each other and do what we can do for ourselves. Maybe the hurricane will come to pass and destroy so much, maybe kill some of us, but others should survive to go on with their lives and the future of this country. Isn't it? Are we done or something else? Or whoever else you want to? Somebody who urgently may have one or two, and then we close.
Thank you, sir. Reka noneho kuri iyi nshuro tujye no mu bice by'inyuma ko twabaje imbere cyane. Tujye inyuma hariya.
Thank you, sir. Nitwa Intore Twizere Marcel, norezwa muri Alpha Company, Platoon ya gatatu, Session 2. Ndi umunyeshuri mu ishuri rikuru Gatolika rya Kabgayi, umwaka wa kabiri, aho niga uburezi mu ishami ry'indimi Icyongereza n'Ikinyarwanda. Nyakubahwa President, mfashe uyu mwanya ngo ngushimire, newe ishema no kugushimira uburyo mudahwema kuduha amahirwe nk'urubyiruko rw'u Rwanda. Yewe si twebwe gusa, ahubwo nabonye munaharanira n'iterambere ry'urubyiruko rwa Afurika. Nyakubahwa, icyizere kidutera imbaraga zo gutinyuka gufata inshingano mu kwiteza imbere ubwacu ndetse n'igihugu cyacu muri rusange. Nagiraga ngo nsoze mbashimira ko mudahwema kutwizera no mu ntege nkeya zacu. Gahunda zose mwashyiriyeho urubyiruko ni urufatiro rutajegajega rw'ejo hacu kandi biri gutanga umusaruro nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika. Ndangije mbashimira ku bufatanye mudahwema kutugaragariza.
Okay, asante sana. Maybe one this side and then we are done.
Twakiriye n'umukobwa habije abahungu benshi.
Thank you, sir. Amazina yanjye ni Shema Kristo Muvunyi, nkaba muri Eco Company, Platoon 3, Section 1. I just wanted to take this moment to thank you on behalf of all the diaspora Itorero. I am a student at the Virginia Tech University in the US, currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in architecture, and my family currently lives in Nairobi. I take pride in introducing myself as Rwandan wherever I go, and that is all thanks to your leadership and commitment to placing Rwanda on a global stage and being recognized worldwide. Here at Itorero, we've learned so many things. We've gone in to get in touch with our culture. We've formed relationships with people who I hope to be global leaders and national leaders one day. And we have gained connections and experience that we wouldn't gain otherwise. And so I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for your leadership. May God bless you, and may God continue to bless the country of Rwanda. Thank you.
Thank you very much. When are you finishing your architecture degree?
I graduate in 2030.
You graduated?
No, I graduate in 2030.
2030?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I guess you're already thinking of how to come back, and when you come back, look for me, and you'll for sure get a place like the other one I promised. It's somebody who, it's yourself, right? Yeah. So you should, if these people don't take care of you, you just give me a call. And,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So are we done?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, turabashimiye umwanya mwatugeneye kuri uyu munsi. Tuzahora tubizirikana. Twongeye kubizeza gushyira mu bikorwa ndetse no gukomeza kuba umusemburo w'impinduka nziza no gushyira mu bikorwa iby'impanuro mwaduhaye. Murakoze cyane.
Tuzazikurikiza inama mutugira, aho tuzajya hose tuzazikurikiza. Zikurikiza haba mu itorero, zikurikiza aho tugenda hose, zikurikiza nitugera n'imahanga, zikurikiza ngumva tuzazikurikiza.